Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can connect your website to Cloudflare if your website is deployed on Hostinger and your domain has been purchased from GoDaddy. So it will be like you purchased a domain from GoDaddy and then you purchase the hosting from Hostinger and you want to use the Cloudflare. Now in this case what will happen when you are using the Hostinger as a DNS server, then you have to update your DNS of GoDaddy into the Hostinger. So your new DNS will be pointing to the Hostinger. But when you point your DNS to the Cloudflare, then you won't be able to point it to the Hostinger. And whenever this happens, then you will not be able to get your website to be deployed in Hostinger. So we will solve this problem. We will use GoDaddy as the domain provider and Hostinger as the hosting service and Cloudflare as the DNS manager. So let's start. First I will log in into my Hostinger panel. Now I will go to the dashboard of my website and see I have purchased a premium web hosting, so this will work well with all the web hosting types. So I will go into the details. You have to check here that you have the website details here, website IP, mail servers and the Hostinger name servers. So you have to save all these details before proceeding further. So I will save all these details. Also keep this website IP address with you, and when you update the name servers with your Cloudflare name servers, then these name servers will be updated. And before proceeding further, you have to go to your dashboard. If your site is a WordPress site or whatever the site, go to your admin. If your WordPress site, then go to the admin panel, and if there is another site, then you can keep the backup. So I will show you how to create a backup of a WordPress website, and if there is another type of website, just keep a backup for that one. Why I am telling you this, because we have to reinstall the website after changing the name servers. So there is a plugin called all-in-one WP migration in WordPress, which you can use to create a backup. So I will create a backup, export to, I will go with a file. Once it completes, you will save it in your folder. Now my backup is complete. I am downloading my file. I have downloaded my website. Now I will show you why I am moving my DNS from Hostinger to DNS. I will go to the page speed site and then I will check the speed of my website. My website is finologic.in and I am checking it. So I want to show you that when you upgrade your website to the Cloudflare, your website speed will increase. This is my reason why I am migrating to the Cloudflare. But there are other benefits as well, like if your provider does not provide you the SSL certificate, then you can use that Cloudflare. So when you are saying like it is unable to resolve this Finologic.in, so it might be possible that the speed of website is very poor. So I will try again. So you can see the performance is not that much good of this website, and if I go to the desktop, and it is not showing me the any parameters. So let's see if this will be improved after we migrate our website to Cloudflare. Now we have taken the backup of our website. We have taken all the details of our website like name servers and website IP. Now we will log in to the Cloudflare. I have created my account on Cloudflare. You can create your account. It's a simple process. You just have to log in, sign up, and you will choose a start as a start for free. So we will be using the free plan, and that is sufficient for you if you are deploying your own personal website. I have logged in. Then after that you have to add your website. I have already added my website, so when I show you, this is my website. So you can see that I have added my website and the DNS name update is still pending. So these are the DNS names that I have to update in my website. And what I will do, I have to update these name servers in my GoDaddy, and when I update these name servers in GoDaddy, then these website will be disappeared from my Hostinger, because currently I am using the DNS of Hostinger through GoDaddy. Now I will use the DNS of Cloudflare using hosting. So you can see, like, I have still not updated the Cloudflare name servers to my websites, and when I update it, it will be visible here, current name server and current name server 2, and these same I have to update it into the GoDaddy. So let's see how I will do it. Now first we will update the DNS records. We have to add a new record, and the record we will add our website IP to the Cloudflare. So I will click on the add record, and at the rate will be used as a root. So Phrenology is pointing to IP4V address, it will denoted by @ so now I will add the IPv4 address of my website that I have copied. I have copied it, and now I will save it. If you want, you can add a comment. So I will add it like my host, but this is not mandatory, so I will do a save. Now I have to save it, and after that, now after adding the IP, I will add another record, and that record will be my DNS hostinger name server. So the first one is this one. I will copy it and add it as it is. So click on add, click on name server. So name server will be denoted as NS. Same I will do for the other name server. Copy, add a record. This will be same for all everywhere. Like you have done this in GoDaddy as well, in the Hostinger as well, and in the AWS. After adding these, then we will proceed further. Now after adding this, you can refresh your website. Now I will update these NS in my GoDaddy account. So let me log in into my GoDaddy account, and then I will update it. I will go to my domain one after logging into the Hostinger. After clicking on DNS, go to the name server and click on change name server. So here I will copy my Cloudflare name server, and then I will do save, continue. It might be reflected within a seconds, or it might take up to 24 hours. So let me see if it is updated. So in my case it is updated, and when I go to the Cloudflare, now I will go to my Hostinger panel and then refresh it. Now my current name servers will be updated to the Cloudflare name server. So my website is now connected to the Cloudflare. If it's not loading for you, it might be possible like it is not updated properly. So wait for 24 hours and it will update. So let's see if my site is working. Yes, my site is working perfectly, and my name servers are pointing to the Cloudflare. So that's it for this tutorial. Now you can check that this website, and you can also check the page speed of this website after we have migrated it to the Cloudflare name server. So thank you, bye bye.